Are you overwhelmed by the endless list of Forex brokers? Picking the wrong one could mean high spreads, slow withdrawals, or even dealing with shady, unregulated platforms. But don't worry. In this video, I'll break down the 5 best Forex brokers that traders trust worldwide. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, let's help you find the perfect match. What makes a broker stand out in 2025? So, what separates a good broker from a great one in 2025? 3 key things. Tight spreads save more per trade. Fast withdrawals access your profits. Fast, reliable regulation. Especially important in markets like the US. Let's dive into the top 5 brokers that deliver on all fronts. Broker Hash 1. IC Markets, best for low spreads. Starting with IC Markets, a favorite among scalpers and day traders, offers spreads from as low as 0.0 pips. Lightning fast order execution. Platforms include MT4, MT5, and CTrader. Regulated by ASIC, SISEC, and FSA, no dealing desk, true ECN environment. Great for high-frequency strategies. Even pro traders swear by IC Markets for its speed and transparency. While not directly registered in the US, the fact that IC is regulated by Tier 1 regulators like ASIC and SISEC means it upholds extremely strict global compliance. A sign of strong credibility even in the toughest markets. Want spreads that don't eat into your profit? IC Markets is your go-to. Now let's move to a broker that dominates in developing regions. Broker Hash 2. Exness, best for fast withdrawals and leverage. Exness, extremely popular across Asia and Africa. Known for ultra-fast withdrawals, often within minutes. Leverage options that adapt to your account balance. Regulated by FCA, SISEC, FSCA, offers both standard and pro accounts, flexible trading conditions, and 24/7 support. Exness processes over $4 trillion in monthly volume. An enormous number that reflects massive trader trust and operational capability. Plus, their instant withdrawal system is a game changer for active traders. Need fast access to your funds and high leverage? Exness delivers. But what if you're looking for elite-level speed and execution? Broker Hash 3. Pepperstone, best execution speed. Third is Pepperstone, known for professional-grade infrastructure. Spreads from 0.0 pips on Razor accounts. Partnered with Equinix servers for low-latency trading. Regulated by ASIC, FCA, DFSA supports TradingView, MT4, MT5, CTrader excellent for algo and copy trading. Pepperstone has earned trust from over 400,000 active traders globally. It consistently ranks among the top for execution quality, especially valuable for algo traders who need speed and reliability. If you're scaling up your trading, Pepperstone can scale with you. Now let's head to a broker that shines for US-based traders. Broker Hash 4. Oanda, best for US traders. If you're in the US, your options are limited, but Oanda stands strong. Fully compliant with CFTC and NFA. Transparent pricing and no commissions. Strong educational and analytical tools. No minimum deposit. TradingView built-in real-time market data feeds Oanda's history of compliance and transparency, makes it one of the most trusted brokers for US residents. Its robust API is even used by institutional trading systems. If legality and trust matter to you, Oanda is a safe pick. Finally, let's talk about a broker that combines great bonuses with flexibility. Broker Hash 5. XM, best for promotions and account variety. Rounding off our list, XM, great for both beginners and pros, offers multiple account types, micro, standard, ultra-low. Frequent trading bonuses and promotions. Regulated by ASIC, IFSC, SISEC supports over 1,000 trading instruments. Tight spreads and fast execution. XM stands out not just for its generous bonus programs, but also for its localized support across multiple languages, and ultra-low minimum deposit, ideal for anyone just starting their Forex journey. New to Forex? XM's user-friendly setup helps you get started fast. Recap? Which one is best for you? Let's recap. IC Markets. For ultra-low spreads. Exness. For fast withdrawals and leverage. Pepperstone. For elite execution. Oanda. For US traders who need regulation. XM. For diverse accounts and great bonuses. Choose based on your needs, not just the hype. Still unsure? Start with a demo. Every broker here offers it. Check the description for direct links, bonuses, and regulation details. Which broker are you currently using? Comment below and let's share insights. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe. More expert reviews coming soon.